So hey everyone, welcome to one another video with your host Devraj Singh. And in today's video, I'm gonna be going through like what are the steps and what you need to do in order to rank on Fiverr. Basically, we'll talk about the SEO that you need to do for your ranking system. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, ask all the questions that you have in the comment section. And if you like the video, at the end, just give a thumbs up and I'll share all these secrets with you on live on my computer. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to make sure that what are the three factors, the main three factors that helps you to rank on Fiverr. So the factor number one is your SEO. The factor number two is feedback mechanism. So basically whatever interactions that happen with your profile on Fiverr, there are interactions recorded with that. So interactions like someone scrolling through your profile, someone messaging you, someone reaching out to you on chat and you making an conversion. So these are all the feedbacks that are sent from your profile to Fiverr and they make judgment on that. So first one is your normal search engine optimization, SEO of Fiverr. So you're not optimizing it for Google, you're optimizing your gig for Fiverr to rank at the top. Second, I told you is a feedback mechanism. The third factor is the reviews you get on the platform. So no matter you get a good review, bad review, average review, it depends. It all comes around and it all depends on your ranking. So make sure you focus on all these three factors while trying to scale your Fiverr account. And these are some tricks that no one would tell you. So make sure you have it. So let's jump on my computer, we'll go through one profile and tell you what is the factors and how people are leveraging those factors. We'll be taking very great profiles, good profiles, not average ones. So guys, finally I have jumped onto my computer. You can see it on my screen. I have placed a profile here. Now let's try to understand the different sections of this profile, and this would actually help you to guide. Again, this is not sponsored by anyone and everyone. This is just for the research purposes. So make sure you like this thing. Okay. Here it is. I will create an effective Instagram hashtag growth strategy. So this is the gig all about. So let's dissect each and every sections of this. Now, this section, I will create an effective Instagram hashtag growth strategy. This section is called a headline. Okay. This is called a headline of a gig. Okay. Where I will is by default, like Fiverr gives you I will, and then you have to enter something else that you want after that I will. Okay. So I will is in default. So here the thing that he has entered is create effective Instagram hashtag growth strategy. So what he's doing is he's basically offering a service of hashtag research. The seller is right now offering a service of hashtag research. Now you have to see the main keywords being used. Effective is not a keyword. Okay. So the things marked in blue color or in blue line is actually a keyword. So what I'll do is now we'll try to dissect all the main keywords used in the headline. For example, here anything marked in blue color is actually a keyword. For example, in this case, I will create an effective. Create an effective is not a keyword that is he's ranking for. Okay, he's ranking for the main keyword of Instagram hashtag growth strategy. So you have to do your research and find out the keywords of a gig. In this case, Instagram hashtag is one keyword, growth strategy is another keyword. Create an is not a keyword, it's just a pronoun, like it is just to make the thing technically good. Second thing that really makes an impact while you're trying to rank on a gig, on a particular gig's format or something like that, is in what category you are ranking. I've seen a lot of people trying to go like all behind the scenes and they are not ranking in the right category. For example, you are creating social media post on Instagram, but you're ranking for a video, for a category which is like YouTube video research. It won't get you the clients because client is not getting what they want and you would never be able to do it. So look at the thing that I have right now marked in blue color on my screen. Okay, this thing that I've marked, it is very important to rank on right category. For example, on the computer you can see digital marketing. This gig, I will create an effective Instagram hashtag growth strategy, is into digital marketing. That's the main category. Then the subcategory is social media marketing, and then the specification to it is social media management. Okay, whenever you are doing things like this, you have to make sure you're ranking in the right categories. If you're ranking in wrong categories by using this thing, is something you have to select. So categories is something that you have to select while creating your gig. So 2 factors we have till now recorded. Third factor that helps you in the SEO part is the number of saves that you have it on your profile. So where can you see the number of saves? The thing that I've just marked in the yellow color is the place where you can see the number, is the place where you can see the number of saves that you have. Saves also plays a really important role while ranking of your profile, because saves basically, it's a part of a feedback mechanism. The higher number of people saving your profile is the higher number of chances of the projects that you can get on the platform. So that is the next point. Going forward, what are the other factors that helps you to get the ranking done? So the first one is use right keyword. Third thing that I want to show that a lot of you don't know, I don't think you would know it, but when the first time you create a gig, okay, so whenever the first time you create a gig, whatever is your headline gets picked up as your slug. Okay, now what is a slug? I have took this slug in a different format. Okay, so here you can see in my new thing, the slug here is fiverr.com. Tom Cu. Tom Cu is what? Is the name of the person. Okay, Tom Cu is the name of the person, but he has a slug of create a customized Instagram hashtag strategy. Okay, this was something he did in the first place. But if you go ahead and you check out, okay, if you go ahead and you check out this thing, okay, and try to compare it with this, okay, try to compare both of this thing on my screen. So initially he had this, initially he had a headline, or the first time he created this gig, he had a headline, create a customized Instagram hashtag strategy. Here it is, I will create an effective, not customized, but an effective Instagram, not hashtag. Here you have the word growth, here is missing. So what it did was, initially he launched a gig, and because of that gig, this was his initial headline, but then he changed his headline. But his initial slug, the slug to ranking for this gig was create a customized Instagram strategy. So the first time when you create your gig, it takes all the keyword into that slug, or your headline as your main slug. So make sure that the first time when you're launching your gig, first movement, you have to use as much keywords as possible in your headline, because you can change your headline in future, but you cannot change the slug. So this is one of the most hi-fi advanced level hack that you can use, and that helps you in ranking. So you can always upgrade your SEO. There's an upgrade SEO section by default in your gig. But with that being said, you can also update your you cannot update this part, which is your slug, because slug gets created for the first time, and this profile slug plays a very important role while ranking. Okay, so these are the things that I wanted to make sure that you guys know. Let's move further. So one more question that I get is, I have been ranking on top for a particular keyword, and now my ranking just got decreased. Okay, I'm at the bottom of the search result, I'm nowhere to be seen on Fiverr, and how would I get the work? If this question arises in your mind, the answer is pretty damn simple. If you're not ranking for a particular keyword on Fiverr, make sure that you update your description and you update your tags. Make sure your tags are relevant to the industry standard. Now, where would you able to find the tags? In our Fiverr masterclass, we tell people about tools and softwares that they can use to find it. But for normal public, here I go into my computer and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, this is the simplest method. Is I pick up this profile and I go at the bottom. Okay, I keep scrolling down. And here are all the reviews. Then I keep scrolling down here. So now you can see this thing called as related tags. Okay, so this guy is using tags like Instagram marketing, Instagram strategy, and hashtags. These are the keywords that this guy is using. Now you can use a lot of tools that we discussed inside our programs for finding out this keywords, but this is the simplest method, like Instagram marketing, Instagram strategy, and hashtags. These are the keywords he's using to rank on top for the keyword Instagram hashtag. Okay, now you can find what people in your specific category are using to rank on top, and you can use those keywords into your profile to rank. Okay, so the one strategy for always whenever your ranking goes down is update your tags. And now one more thing to notice, let me just stop this and now I'll go at the top. Let me delete these annotations. So one very widely unused aspect is how much times you're using your keywords in your description. A lot of people are like, I want to rank on this keyword, but when I see their profile or when I review their profile, by the way, if you're a part of Fiverr Advanced course, link is in the description. I personally review your profile, so make sure you become a part of it. Uh, One more widely unused aspect is whenever I review people's profile, they don't use the keywords for which they want to rank for. For example, in this case, I've seen the guy is ranking for the word keyword of Instagram hashtag. Now, when I went and I checked his profile, as of now, he has used hashtag word once in his headline. Then, uh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 times in his description. Okay, so why would he be not ranking on the top? Okay, why would he be not ranking on the top? Also, one thing that I just noticed is he's also giving one very great thing is master course 2021 for platinum and diamond gig, which means he's not only providing a service, but with that service being attached, he's also giving so for $65 he's also giving a course for people to do it by themselves. That is the whole reason he has 32 orders 32 orders in queue and so much great reviews. Okay, so these were some strategies that you can use to rank on top. Just revamping everything. Step 1 is SEO. Step 2, have a look over your headlines and add as much keyword as possible. Step 3, rank in the right categories and subcategories. Step 4, keep updating your tags. Step 5, add your keywords in your description. I hope this was a power jam-packed video. You liked it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Check out all the links in the description for all my courses where you learn hacks like this and some more advanced ones. Go ahead and become a part of the programs that we have in the description. Make sure to hit that subscribe. Ask all the questions you have in the descriptions. Thank you.